Hi everyone, welcome to day 49 of my 50 days SQL challenge series where I solve data analyst and business analyst interview question for SQL. Today we'll be solving one of the recent ask data analyst interview question that was asked to one of my subscriber. So let's see the questions. You're given an order table with the columns order ID and the order date. Identify the busiest day of orders along with the total number of orders placed on that day. Now let's see the data that we have on the table, which is basically order ID and the order date. So what we need to find out is the busiest day and the total number of orders that we have received on that busiest day. Now busiest day would be a day where we have received the maximum number of orders. Now this is the order ID columns, this is the order date column. Now this question may look little confusing. There are only limited things that we have. There is a very simple approach we have which we can use to solve these questions. Now let's see how we can solve this question. So I'm just going to select this order date. I need the order date which is asked in the interview. So I'm just going to say order date. And I want to see the total number of orders I have received in each order date, right? So I can just use a count functions. If I do a group by this order date, my problem will be solved, right? Now I can use a count functions, count of 1, or I can use a count of start, and I can save it basically called total orders. So for each day, basically for each order date, I will have this total orders by using this count functions. Now to get the count of orders for each day, I need to do a group by this basically order date. So I can go ahead and say group by 1. Now this one means basically the first column from this basically select and from statement. Now this is fine. Now what I need to do is basically, if in case I run this query, I will have basically the each order date and the count of orders, right? Now I can just show you. So let's see. Now we can see that we have the order date and we have basically the total orders, right? Now from here we can basically find out basically the date where we have received the maximum orders. Now I can do an order by here, order by 2, descending. So basically I'm doing an order by descending orders by this column, and I can just limit it to 1. So this is going to basically give us one particular day and the total orders where we have received maximum orders. This is how we can solve this type of interview questions. If you really like my content, do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Have a good day.